Hello dear viewers, this is ERi-TV English news broadcast for this hour. Coming up are the major headlines for today. World Health Day observed in Asmara. Enhanced maternal and child health services in Af-Ayun. Fighting in southern Syria following bombing kills 17 people. And South Korea successfully launched its second military spy satellite. On your domestic reports, World Health Day was observed at national level in Asmara under the theme My Health, My Right. The occasion was graced by senior officials from the Ministry of Health and representatives from various United Nations agencies in Eritrea. Dr. Andebrahan Tesfazian, the Acting Director General of the Public Health at the Ministry, highlighted Eritrea's commitment to ensuring basic health care for all, aligning with the principles laid out in the National Charter and macro policy. He underscored the ongoing efforts to enhance the national health strategy, aiming for efficient and high-quality healthcare services. Dr. Andebrahan emphasized the comprehensive approach taken, including significant investments in healthcare, initiatives to foster behavioral change, bolstering human resources, modernizing medical infrastructure, and encouraging community engagement. He shared noteworthy achievements. 70% of Eritreans now access healthcare services within 5 kilometers of their homes, with 80% within a 10-kilometer radius. Additionally, vaccination coverage for 12 diseases has reached 98%. There has been a marked decrease in new infections, and latrine utilization stands at approximately 80%. Dr. Nonso Ejiofor, the WHO representative in Eritrea, reflected on the remarkable health advancements in the region over the past decade. He noted increases in life expectancy for African women from 54 to 67 years between 2000 and 2020, a 33% drop in maternal mortality rates, and a 50% reduction in child mortality rates before the age of 5. Dr. Ejiofor also highlighted significant strides in combating HIV, AIDS, and tuberculosis, with 44% decreases in new HIV infections and a 55% reduction in AIDS-related deaths from 2011 to 2021, alongside a 26% decline in tuberculosis fatalities. Efforts towards eradicating diseases like polio and guinea worm disease and eliminating maternal and neonatal tetanus are nearing success. This year's event marked the 28th national and the 76th international observance of World Health Day, reaffirming Eritrea's dedication to health as a fundamental human right. The Af-Ayun Health Station has made notable strides in enhancing maternal and child health services alongside fostering greater public health awareness. Assistant Nurse Usman Ali, head of the health station, highlighted a steady increase in the number of pregnant women opting for childbirth and medical care at the facility, attributing this positive trend to ongoing community education efforts. Moreover, Nurse Usman commended the community's active involvement in environmental cleanliness campaigns aimed at reducing the spread of infectious diseases such as malaria. He emphasized that measures including pesticide spraying and the provision of mosquito nets treated with insecticides are in progress. Serving the residents of Af-Ayun, Wanki, Henab, and neighboring regions, the Af-Ayun Health Station remains committed to advancing healthcare accessibility and quality for its community. On your last local news, the residents of 27 villages in Syria subzone are conducting extensive water and soil conservation activities in their area since February this year. Mr. Abraham Berhane, head of Agriculture Office in the subzone, said that the popular campaign includes construction of terraces and water diversion schemes and preparation of land for cultivation before the coming of the rainy season. Mr. Abraham further noted that so far 949 hectares of terraces and 3,500 meter cube of water diversion schemes have been constructed. The administrators of the villages indicated that the popular campaign is being conducted with the support of machinery and praised the commitment of the residents. In related news, water and soil conservation activity is being carried out at the 8 administrative areas in Shi'ib subzone. The popular campaign includes construction and maintenance of terraces and water diversion schemes. Dear viewers, we'll be back with your international news and more. Please stay tuned. Welcome back. A war monitor has said that at least 17 people were killed in southern Syria's Eritrea province and violence triggered by an explosion in a day early that killed a group of children. The Britain-based Syrian Observatory for Human Rights said on Sunday that an armed group led by a figure who previously worked for a Syrian state security agency had been accused by a rival group for planting an explosive device that went off on Saturday in the city of Al-Sanamain, killing 8 children. According to a report, the battle left 17 dead, among them a former ISIS member, 12 fighters and a civilian killed by a stray bullet. On today's final report, South Korea has successfully launched its second military reconnaissance satellite, days after North Korea reiterated its intention to launch multiple spy satellites this year. The satellite entered orbit after its launch on a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from the John F. Kennedy Space Center in Florida in the United States on Sunday. Seoul's military said in a statement that its independent intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities have been further strengthened by the successful launch. The Falcon X rocket was launched at 23:17 GMT, and the satellite successfully separated from the launch vehicle 45 minutes later and entered its targeted orbit. This is according to the statement. Dear viewers, you're still watching us on ERi-TV, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. World Health Day observed in Asmara. Enhanced maternal and child health services in Afayun. Fighting in southern Syria following bombing kills 17 people. And South Korea successfully launched its second military spy satellite. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.